Are you not getting enough hot water or no hot water at all? Is your hot water heater leaking, making noises, or giving off an odd odor? These are some common problems with hot water heaters. If you are experiencing any of these issues, it is important to have a qualified and licensed local plumber like Reliable Contractor Services inspect your water heater ASAP. Your water heater is the most expensive component in your home's plumbing system. So don't ignore a small problem now that will lead to more costly repairs down the line. We've helped many other local homeowners repair and replace their hot water heaters over the years. So if you're having problems with your water heater, give us a call and we will come out and look at it as soon as possible.